I am Dr. C. Krishnara from Bobili in Hyderabad. 7th Annual Conference of Liver Transplantation in India, Challenges and Opportunities for the Next Decade అనేటువంటి విషయం మీద 3 days కాన్ఫరెన్స్ జరుగుతుందండి. 29th November, 30th November and 1st December. Already 2 days is over. It is being conducted in Hyderabad International Convention Center. Now I want to read out the message given by Dr. Professor Muhammad Raila Garu, President, Liver Transplantation